Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've done a voiceover here, so please bear with me. We're doing molten chocolate lava cakes. First you're going to melt that chocolate with the butter and set it aside to cool. Then you're going to add, in a separate bowl, the eggs and the sugar and the salt. And you're going to whisk that together till it's well combined. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Then you're going to butter generously and flour or cocoa powder the ramekins. I choose cocoa powder because it just makes it taste better. Add that chocolate to the egg mixture and whisk that together till it's fully combined. Then you're going to add your flour. Not too much flour in a lava cake. The recipe is in the description, so just go read it and make it. This was my first time making lava cakes. It was a test run to see how they would come out, and it did not disappoint. You're going to pour the mixture into your ramekins, not too full, because they will rise. Cook at 425 for just 10 minutes, but you really have to watch them because they will cook fast, and you don't want that middle to cook like a cake. That's what you want to see. Then you have to be very careful touching those ramekins because they're very hot. So I chose to use for now tongs till I get some rubber thingies to touch them with, because I've never used ramekins before. With a knife, you're gently going to go around it, and you're only going to let them cool for 1 minute on that baking sheet. Okay, then you're going to take the knife, go around it, separate them. Then you're going to invert them onto a dessert plate. This took me a while because I couldn't figure out. Everything would slip off the ramekin. So again, I had to do the tongs and being careful that it wouldn't slip off and fall right on the cake. It was a challenge. Like I said, my first time. But hey, look at that cake. It came out freaking perfect. I was shocked. Totally shocked. And proud of myself. And you can be too. So make sure you make your lava cakes this holiday season and enjoy them. Powdered sugar on the top is optional. You can also add fruits if you'd like. Then I packed some up for a customer, and they were the cutest little thing. I put the powdered sugar for the customer before she picked it up. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon.